第25页篇章结构，震撼森林，揭开地震对树木恢复的长期影响。
Beyond the tremors, unveiling the long-term impact of earthquakes on forests. While often associated with immediate destruction such as the collapsing of buildings and loss of lives, earthquakes have a far-reaching impact on the natural world as well. Recent research has revealed that seismic events can have a more profound effect on forests than previously anticipated, and it can last for decades. While trees may seem resilient during an earthquake, they can suffer significant damage as well. According to recent studies published in Nature Geoscience, apart from destroying tree trunks and roots, earthquakes alter soil structure, nutrient availability, and water conditions. These changes can have both positive and negative consequences for the overall recovery of forests. Scientists analyzed tree ring data from mountainous forests in 7 regions: the western and northwestern parts of North America, southwestern South America, the Tibetan Plateau, the Mediterranean, the Mongolian Plateau, and New Zealand. These forests account for 23% of the world's forested area, many of which are located in earthquake-prone zones. The study found that in dry, temperate zones, earthquakes create cracks and fractures in the soil and loosen tree roots. This allows rainwater to penetrate deeper into the soil more easily, thereby providing trees with necessary water and nutrients. In regions like the Mongolian Plateau, this helps forests recover quickly after an earthquake. In contrast, in regions with higher annual rainfall, such as New Zealand, earthquakes intensify soil erosion and nutrient loss. This leads to slower tree growth and forest recovery. Thus, by examining tree ring data, scientists can gain deeper insights into the relationship between tree growth and earthquakes. Scientists estimate that in some cases, the impact of an earthquake on a forest can last more than 20 years. These findings remind us that earthquakes not only alter the living environments for humans, but also have long-term effects on nature.